In this lecture, we're going to talk about how to enable application password if you can't find it in WordPress. Uh, so come to the site, admin panel, and all users have it. Now look, there is no application password section. So how to do this actually mainly happens in hosting apps. Uh, Hosting brands. It's a good thing that hosting does this because application password uh, is not a job of normal bloggers. It's a special feature. So uh, if it's off, it's actually good. So if you want to enable it, go to tools, onboarding, tools. Look here, by default it will be clicked open, it will be on. So I'll off this and this budget, and now I come to users and now look, there is application password field and your application password. Hi, then you can copy it.